Can anybody tell me that my voice is audible or not?
Clear, clear.
All right. So let's begin this session.
Yes, sir.
So good evening, dear interns. Excuse me.
Good evening, sir.
First of all, I would like to tell you all that this is an interactive session. So you all have to speak. Please open your mic.
Good evening, sir.
Excuse me, everyone. Please open your mic.
Good evening.
All right. I want response.
Good evening, sir.
I want response from everyone.
Good evening, sir.
All right. All right. So good evening, dear interns. I hope you all are fine, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
let's
sir.
begin this journey of mutual rewarding experience at Cyberspecs. So can anybody tell me that is my screen is visible or not?
Sir, your screen is visual.
All right. Thank you so much. So I'm Amit Kumar Gupta, the founder and CEO of this Cyberspecs, and I will be mentoring you all in this session. So let's begin this journey of mutual rewarding experience at Cyberspecs. In today's session, we will understand that what is the reason to be here at Cyberspecs for web development internship. So are you going crazy for that? Like you all have been wondering that why are we here? We are waiting. We are been waiting for 10 days. Like I think you all might have these types of questions in your mind, right?
Yes, sir.
Excuse me, everyone. Please open your mic and give response as well.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let's understand what is the agenda of this session. So we will understand by discussing about the cyber specs. That what is cyber specs? What is the motive of the company? After that, we will discussing about myself. That who am I? What is my profession in this company? And moreover, we will go with what we will do during this internship. They are all are coming late. My God. Okay. So moving ahead with why choose cyberspecs only. So in this session, we will understand the motive of choosing cyberspecs for the web development internship. And at the end, we will end this session by closure. So you all are being waiting for this internship for about 10 to 15 days, right? So let's begin this journey by understanding about cyberspecs. So cyberspecs is nothing but a service-based company which provides service like cybersecurity services, software development services, web development services, and database management system services. So these are some services that we provide to clients, and whatever be the company size, rather than it is a small or large, we provide services like these things. After that, I'm coming to the topic that who am I? So, as I told you all that my name is Amit Kumar Gupta and I am the founder and CEO of this company. Before this, I was working as a security researcher and I have found many of the vulnerabilities in some of well-known domain like National Transportation Safety Board as well of USA. And I am also working as a developer. So, let's move ahead with the topic that what we will do during this internship. So you all have a question. I think you all have a question that is the motive of this internship? Why we all are here, right?
Yes, sir.
So so first of all, we are here for learning purpose. So learning can be done in a way that I'll be creating a team. Like I will creating some teams, and there might be some tasks that I will be distributing among teams, right?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'll be creating some teams. There will be team formation of um, might be like 2 to 3 students in a team, because we have only 12 interns. After that, I'll be assigning some projects to you all. Like you will have a live project, and you will be working on live projects as well. And I'll be working as a mentor for 2 month journey in this internship. And
Okay.
yes, do you have question? Okay. Excuse me, everyone. Please uh, turn off your mic if you don't have any question. Okay. So at the end of the 2 month journey, you will be presenting about your project. Like I have mentioned this thing in your offer letter, that I will be giving some letter of recommendation, right? You all have read about that
Yes, sir.
or not?
Yeah,
Okay.
sir. Right, sir.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
So I will be giving some letter of recommendation to some students. Like uh, during these steps which I have told you about, that I will be creating some team, I'll be assigning some projects, I will be working as a mentor for you all. Like if you will face any problem, please contact with me. And at the end of this internship, I'll be taking presentations from you all. Like you will have to present about your project. So the team who will score maximum among all the teams will get some letter of recommendation. The each student of that team will get some letter of recommendation from our company. So will it be interesting for you all or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
It will be interesting, I guess. So let's understand that why Cyberspecs only. So I think you all have understood that there are some companies who are training their interns or trainee, and they are assigning some limited amount of tasks, like creating a calculator, creating a login page, like this, right? I think you all have gone through that type of internships as well, or you have experience about that, right?
Yes,
Right.
sir. Yes.
Okay. So in this internship, we are not going to create any small projects. We are going to create that project which we can mention in our resume to enrich our resume as well. Like there will be live projects on which you all will working on, and during during this internship you all will be developing some teamwork skills that is required in each and every sector of job. Like I think you all have motive to do job, right?
Right, sir. Right,
So
sir.
you will be developing some teamwork skills that will help you for getting any job, and you will be getting a building a good network. Like if you will collaborate with your teammates, so I think they all will become a friend, like classmates. So you will be building some good network. Like if you will want to work on any other project rather than the company is giving here, then you can develop with the help of that team as well. Like you have experience of building some projects with that team, then you can also develop some another projects with the help of that team only, right?
Right, sir.
And at the end, we all are here to enrich our resume. So with the help of these projects that I will be assigning, and our letter of recommendations, you can enrich your resume as well. And let's understand the closure of this. So, as you all know that I have told you about that what we are going to do in during this internship. We will be creating some teams. I'll be assigning you all some projects, and I'll be mentoring you and giving you all and taking presentations from you about that project. If you will face any problem during this internship, then I will be helping you all at any time. So with the help of these things, you all could understand that this might be helpful for you to enrich your resume and to develop some problem solving skills as well and teamwork skill as well. Like you will be facing some problems during this internship, and you will be solving with the help of me as well or with the help of your peers, right?
Yes, sir.
So you might be developing some skills as well, and might be you are enriching your resume as well. And at the end of the session, I would like to introduce with a concept like a thought that is given by Tim Sanders. Education without application is just an entertainment. Like I know you all have learned HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, MongoDB, etc., etc. So you all are you all were in learning phase. Now it's time to implement these things that you all have learned, right? So you all have to implement your skills, your knowledge during this internship. And if you will, I'm repeating it again, that if you will facing any problem, then you should have to be in touch with me. All right.
All right, sir.
All right. So that is the end of the session. Thank you so much for joining this session. If you all have any doubts or any queries regarding it, then you all can share with me.
No, sir, it's clear for me.
Everyone, is anybody
Clear.
here who has any
No,
doubts?
no, 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 it's clear.
No, sir.
All right, all right. So again, I am welcoming you all for being here, and I'm too much dedicated about you all that you all could learn some things and you all should deploy some good projects that you all could mention in your resume. I have told you about that around 100 plus applications I got from that form, and only you guys are here because I have shortlisted many of the candidates. So for being here, please work on it, and please motivate yourself for completing the internship and getting the letter of recommendation. I think there is a competitive like situation between teams, and it must be good for you all, because if you will not be in competitive situation, then there will be a limit of learning, right?
Yes, sir.
So you all have to be in competitive situation that you all are working in a team to win this. Like this is a like contest. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So in 1 to 2 days, I will be assigning some projects and I will be making some teams. So you all should can create some WhatsApp groups regarding your internship and can work closely with your team. All right. And
Yes, sir.
I will be taking some sessions uh, that I will give prior information as well. Like if I'll be taking sessions in, I might be taking sessions at night or in this evening time only, because I have busy schedule during morning and till evening. All
Okay,
right.
sir.
Okay. So thank you
Sir,
so
I
much.
have one issue.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Uh,
please.
uh, Sir, when creating after the creating the team,
Yes.
uh, uh, Can you short information about the which project we work on which project or like the depth of the project?
Yes, I can. Like you might have heard about some projects like online auction system, e-commerce website, and some we can say like some live projects like I'm not getting right now, but I have a list of that I have created for you guys only.
Okay,
Uh,
sir. Okay, okay.
I will be sharing. I will be sharing that list, and you all might can choose if you. Uh, I have two options. Like I will be assigning, or you all can choose.
Okay, okay.
So which one
Oh,
you want?
Okay, okay. And the language of the backend, which language? If the
It's
creating
depend.
after the
It's
creating the
depend on.
team.
It's depend on your line. Depend on your knowledge only. Like you can use Node.js as well. You can use PHP,
Okay,
and you can
okay,
use
okay,
JDBC and JSP as well. It depends on you
okay,
only.
okay, okay. No
Yes.
issue, sir.
Any other questions?
No, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Thank you so much for joining the session.
Yes, sir.
It's
Thank you, sir.
being grateful to meet you all.
Eh,
Thank you so much.
Yes, sir. Good night, sir.
Good night. You all can leave. Thank you so much.